If you're currently using the Lovable and you want to create a new workspace, it is very easy to do. In order to do this, all you have to do is simply click your profile on the upper right hand side, and in the menus, just go ahead and choose create a new workspace. Keep in mind that you can only create workspace if you have a paid plan, and therefore, in order to create your workspace, after you're given your workspace a name, you want to go ahead and create. However, if you don't have a paid plan, then you'd have to continue to plan and choose between the pro or the teams plan to be able to create. And all you have to do is choose between the pro or the teams plan to be able to create your workspace. So once you select the option, guys, just go ahead and click on create workspace. And what's going to happen is going to take you over to where you can easily continue to pay for whichever plan you want so that you can quickly create your workspace. Keep in mind, payment methods are really flexible. You can pay by a credit or debit card, Amazon Pay, Cash App Pay, and you can even pay with your bank account as well. So once you select whichever options, let's say card, fill out the card details and go ahead and subscribe, and you should be able to now create a workspace on Lovable. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.